right, let's take you to the weather centre. Joel Guy is there. Good morning, Joel. How's the weather shaping up?
Good morning once again, Polly. We are going to be seeing stormy weather once again across the eastern half of South Africa. We already have the storm clouds building up across the eastern areas, and the storms are actually going to start early this morning for the eastern sections, including the eastern parts of the Eastern Cape. We also have quite a bit of fog over the southern areas, but this is already starting to lift off, and we will be seeing mostly fine conditions across the western sections. Now, here's a look at the chance of you seeing wet weather coming your way this Monday. Up to a 60% chance of rain and thunderstorms can be expected where you see the dark shade of blue across the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape and the Free State. Also over southern Gauteng and the western areas of KwaZulu-Natal, where you see the lighter shades of blue, we are expecting up to 30% chance of precipitation. Now, the South African Weather Service has issued a watch for severe thunderstorms that should produce large hail and damaging winds over the northeastern sections of the Eastern Cape. With that, let's take it closer to your part of the country. We start with the northeastern sections, where we're going to be seeing partly cloudy skies, giving us isolated to scattered thunderstorms across the northwest Gauteng and Mpumalanga, as well as over southern Limpopo. Polokwane as well as Tawazimbi will get away with partly cloudy skies, both warming to 30 degrees, 27 for the highs in Pretoria as well as Mahikeng. We are going to see isolated to scattered thunderstorms across much of the Free State as well as the Eastern Cape, extending eastwards into KwaZulu-Natal. It is going to be warm across the Eastern Cape, with highs lying mostly in the mid to upper 20s, 30 for the high in Pietermaritzburg, 27 for Bloemfontein. We are also expecting thundery showers along much of the east coast. It's going to be pretty warm for Richards Bay, hitting the 30-degree mark this afternoon. It gets cooler as we go towards the Eastern Cape coastal areas, 26 for East London and 24 for Port Elizabeth, where light rain sprinkles are expected for your Monday. We are expecting thundery showers as well around Raffinet and Somerset East. It gets dry as we go towards the Western Cape, with partly cloudy skies in places, and temperatures for the province are going to lie mostly in the lower 30s this afternoon. A few sprinkles of rain are possible around Plettenberg Bay and Jeffreys Bay, both warming to around 24 degrees. And we're expecting light to moderate winds along the south coast. Fairly big swell highs this Monday for the south coast, reaching around 2 meters, with the swell coming from the southwest. In the Northern Cape, we should see mostly fine conditions for the western parts of the province, but thundershowers are possible for Kimberley, DR as well as Colesberg, all seeing top temperatures lying in the upper 20s this afternoon. Mostly sunny for Cape Town and Langaban, with temperatures in the mid-20s. It gets slightly cooler as we go towards Lambert's Bay. 2 meter swells are forecast off the west coast, with the swell coming from the southwest. Now, on Tuesday, we are going to see partly cloudy skies and dry conditions for the southern and northeastern parts of the country, but thundershowers are possible from Mpumalanga and parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Light rain between Durban and Port Elizabeth. It will be mostly sunny for Cape Town. However, on Wednesday, a cold front introduces light rain late in the afternoon for Cape Town, spreading the rain into Georgia. It will be partly cloudy, dry and warm to hot for the rest of South Africa. That's all from the Weather Centre. Back to you.